In this video, I'll just do a quick walk around the new Hyundai i20 inline. It's the 2024 updated model, which here in South Africa has been facelifted with some cosmetic subtle updates, as well as a new pricing range for the entire model. It's now 30,000 Rand cheaper, so it's quite attractive. This is the top spec inline model, so let's do a quick walk around it and I'll tell you what is new to the model and what makes this model special. So there's 16-inch alloys as well as the badging there on the side under the mirror that says inline. There's LED daytime running headlights and that's halogen fog lights. And then in the front it has that high gloss front grille and it has a lot of like edges. It's quite edgy, a lot of triangles and folding bits, quite origami-ish. Inline badging over there as well with a new style Hyundai badging. The bonnet is also quite chiseled, which you'll find in all models. This model has a 1-liter turbocharged petrol engine that's mated to a 7-speed dual clutch transmission that sounds very, very nice. So it's a boosted 1-liter turbocharged engine that makes it's 80 kilowatts and 172 Newton meters of torque. Along the side, you can see it has 16-inch alloys with there's some paint on the calipers over there. It's red and the inline badging also continues with the black detailing on the side skirts with silver trim that is distinct to the new 2024 models that have the facelift. So the silver trim is on the side, it's in the front, and you'll see at the rear. Coming along the side, it has a black roof with a sunroof over there, also the shark style antenna. Coming down to the back, blacked out roof spoiler, chiseled edging on the side, continuation with the styling. Check the lights at the back. There's i20 detailing in it over there. This is the petrol cap. i20 badging, also like that flat styling that's also like the new badge. The silver trim that goes along the side, like I said, that's the new style that is on the new 2024 facelifted models. And the exhaust pipes, look at that. These exhaust pipes sound so liquid, makes such a cool exhaust note. And there's also like this diffuser style bottom bumper lip in eyeglass black as well. Let's check out the side. Whew, looks very nice. If this car just had to be a bit lower, drop with it, and then you're on your way. Put it on bags maybe, and then the Golf. What is it? The Polo R lines won't be able to cope. Even the GTIs will struggle. Not with speed though, but with looks, you will be looking quite unique. So 16-inch alloys. Just open up at the back and show you. Okay, so I was recording, so the seat is back like that. This is a single bench, so it doesn't have a split at the back, but it looks nice with the red piping and red stitching. And that style from the inline vibes over there. So black, red finishing, Bose sound system, brother. And that sounds so good. This Bose sound system is better than the Beat sound system in the Polo R lines. Check, there's a USB connectivity down there. Oh, there's some here, over here. The spiderweb actually. Also ISO-fix. And I like this little compartment here. So you can just put your seat belts in there and it will stay out of the way when you're not using it. So it doesn't bang around and make a noise. Color-coded door handles. And the black on the side mirrors that go with the black roof lining and the sunroof. Let's jump inside. This is all plasticky, but they do the job quite nice and they are finished quite nice with the red trim. This is the seat. Inline badging with the red finishing and the red piping and the red stitching. Jump inside and start the door up. Whoops. Don't know why. Push to start. Yeah, that noise is a bit annoying. Let's hear the sound system. Hey. Okay, so there's a sound system, climate control, automatic climate control. The unit is on its own with physical buttons. I like that. You can just put it off over there. Down here, USB Type C connectivity, and a 12-volt socket. Wireless charging down there, and this wireless charging actually works quite nice. So you are paying for the quality that you get in over there. Just drop this down a bit. 7-speed dual clutch transmission works nicely. You can put it in drive. You can shift it to the side, and then it's in manual mode. And you can shift gears yourself with these pedals on the side, or you can just shift it up or down over here. Digital display. There's the push start button, the stalks of the indicator. Those feel nice. The dashboard looks quite cool as well. Check this out. It's quite simple design. Here we go. Excuse me. And the seats, these are leather wrapped, and I feel okay. Not too bad. They look very cool. Black roof lining, light switch with a function for the slide. Air conditioning, let's put that on. And then, yeah, that's the vehicle.